Hello and welcome to our channel, where we proudly feature the coolest and most innovative tools in the industry. Are you all prepared? Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the captivating world of cutting-edge tools together. The Klauke cutter is a versatile and powerful tool designed for electrical professionals and technicians. This tool that offers a diverse selection of insulated cutting tools and a crimping capacity of up to 300 mm, tri-insulation barrier with increased creepage distance, incorporating PA6 insulation and utilizing dielectric oil for enhanced electrical insulation. This device is powered by the reliable and high-performance Makita Li-ion batteries. Experience the ultimate versatility with our collection of cutting tools, featuring 6 models, along with 2 dedicated crimping models. Additionally, our VDE insulated tools provide an added layer of safety. This high-quality cable cutter is the ideal tool for those who need to cut cables up to 4 by 150 mm. The one-hand operation is made possible through the use of the ratchet principle, requiring little hand force due to its high transmission ratio. The 2-stage ratchet drive makes the cutting process easy, while its low weight and compact design allow for simple handling even in confined spaces. With precision-ground, hardened blades, it delivers a clean and smooth cut without crushing or deformation, making it perfect for cutting both single conductors and multiple-stranded cables made of copper or aluminum. However, it is important to note that it is not suitable for use on steel wire or fine-stranded conductors. Introducing the Greenlee Micro Tool line. New bolt cutter. New cable cutters. Along with these newcomers, there's also an upgraded crimper that takes a significant leap forward from manual tools. These micro-power battery tools can help you work faster, safer, and easier. Each tool is ergonomically designed to be easier on the body. The trigger is easy to use, reducing the amount of force on hands by 93%. Also, the 350-degree rotating head can be adjusted for tight spaces and angles, leading to fewer body contortions. A robust design for long-lasting repetitive use of industrial-strength magnets for one-handed applications and impact-rated power tools to withstand the most challenging jobs. We are excited to introduce CIMCO's multifunctional tool with an interchangeable head system featuring a quick-release mechanism. The crimping interchangeable jaws that can handle up to 300 mm. When a cut is completed, the jaws are retracting automatically. The new quick-release feature enhances the tool's efficiency, allowing for easy and fast head changes, revolutionizing the way head changes are carried out. With the help from interchangeable head, the tool can be used for punching up to 92 by 92 mm. Now, users can effortlessly detach and replace tool heads with a simple process. Utility professionals have an automatic option for cutting through the power and conducting wires. Hilti cutter makes quick work of slicing through aluminum conductors, steel-reinforced scissor wire, and up to 7/16" guide wire. The tool is an automatic alternative to manual cutters that are labor-intensive, long, and inefficient. This advanced tool standing as a superior alternative. The Hilti cutter can be used easily with just one hand. It senses when a cut is complete, retracting the jaws automatically. That makes operation easy, especially if you're wearing insulated rubber gloves with leather protection. The old blades are simple to change in the field in just a few minutes, and with a few tools, you're back to work. Say goodbye to lengthy and inefficient procedures as this tool takes center stage. Experience the exceptional performance of the compact and lightweight design 160 mm KNIPEX StepCut cable shears, small and strong, providing effortless cable cutting with a remarkable 40% increase in ease and optimal cutting feel even for larger cable diameters. Effortlessly cut solid cables up to 5 by 4 mm with confidence and precision. Effortlessly cut fine-stranded wires up to 50 mm or 15 mm in diameter, all while ensuring the wires remain free from any crushing or deformation. Experience the precision-ground cutting edge and robust bolted joint of the 3 available versions: attramentized in plastic, attramentized with a multi-component sleeve, and 1000 VDE tested. This KNIPEX cable shears are equipped with ergonomic handles and a durable construction. These cable shears ensure comfort during extended use. This cable cutter delivers the fastest installation-ready cuts. This open jaw, fully balanced inline tool allows you to cut effortlessly in the tightest panels. Featuring the best power-to-size ratio, this compact tool powers through 750 copper or 1000 aluminum 2x faster than the leading competitor. The remote cutter from Klauke is a cutting-edge tool designed for remote cutting applications. Designed to provide optimal balance and stability, this innovative tool creates a well-balanced center of gravity specifically for use with insulated rods. The double-click operation acts as a safeguard against accidental operations. After cutting, the jaws automatically open, and by simply pressing the release button, you can easily open the cutter jaws. The tool is perfect for overhead line application. The remote cutter can be used on copper, aluminum, and ASCR conductors up to 20 mm diameter. Rod guides can be used to add stability in high winds. Embrace the seamless functionality of jaws that intuitively respond to the completion of a cut, providing a seamless cutting experience from start to finish. This series of CimCut'n'Press is designed to have an optimized center of gravity, allowing you to work without tiring and having straight cutting edges. A ring is attached to provide safety support for a shoulder strap. A USB interface is provided for data analysis and control. Equipped with a high-powered motor, this cutting-edge device ensures optimal processing speed, allowing for swift and efficient operations. An LED function light is capable of providing optimal lighting. Annual servicing is unnecessary as the service cycle is required only after 20,000 activations. The LCD display is clear and displays information related to battery charging, crimping errors, and maintaining control. The high-quality display ensures optimal readability, allowing users to easily monitor and track the device's performance. The crimping inserts can be replaced, and the tool features automatic return upon completion of crimping. The crimping head has the ability to rotate 180 degrees, utilizes the 18V high-performance batteries that is compatible with charging system for DeWalt XR. This stripping tool technology is a game-changer in the world of wire stripping. With its ability to effortlessly untangle mangled wires without any slips or jams, solidifying its position as the ultimate choice in the industry. The wire stripper can strip all sizes, ranging from 18 AWG to 250 MCM, including Romex, braided, stranded, wire, and other wire types. The dedicated Romex slot significantly reduces stripping time by 33% compared to other wire insulation stripping tools. Experience the game-changing innovation of this wire stripping tool, designed to simplify wire handling and elevate efficiency. Made it with pride in North America. If you like my video, please support my channel by clicking the like button and also subscribing. To stay updated with my new videos, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.